Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to our Thursday live stream. Today, my voice is way too better as compared to the previous Thursday, is what I feel. But still, it has not fully recovered. So I'm just going to keep a little bit low voice even today throughout our stream. Sachin is saying, desperately looking for the guidance. Why? What do you think? What is the biggest worry right now? Let me see. What are your answers for that? Xmas party over already is asking Ranjit Kamath. I left biryani and came to watch the video in peace because you came live. इतनी सर्दी में हाफ स्लीव टी शर्ट. अरे रवि जी आप तो हो दिल्ली में, हम है पुणे में. आप दिल्ली में हो ना शायद रवि जी. You're from north. And Pune is not that bad. It is okayish. I mean bearable cold, very much bearable cold. COVID wave again is what everyone is pretty much worried about. And that is what we are going to discuss today. Ki, yeah, what is this about this entire COVID thing? Can we again expect a fall? If actually the market start falling, then what could be the point to which it could fall? We have to analyze all these factors, and then we may understand that should we be really panicking or not. Right? Where to watch earlier Thursday live stream is what Deepak Kuli is asking. You will be able to watch it in my live streams only. I don't know if we have made a separate playlist for that, uh, but you will be able to see it in our live section. Okay. Chalo. So, without wasting time, let us quickly jump to our in-dot trading view, and we'll first understand how the technical setup looks like entirely. Who can tell me last Thursday when we had discussed about Nifty levels? Because I can see a lot of people who are very regular in our Thursday live streams. Who can tell me last Thursday what was the support level that I had discussed? That I told that I feel somehow that markets may go down. And kya baat hai? Sharman is the first one who has given the answer. Kya baat hai? Kya baat hai? Very nice. Arey wah! It seems that there are a lot of people who are actually watching the Thursday live stream without fail. Good, Sharman. Good. I've posted your chat here so that everyone can watch. And if you see where has Nifty actually taken support, feels good. See, I again I'm telling you, right. My analysis is not going to be correct every time. I'm repeating, my analysis is not going to be correct every time. But I try my level best to do the best possible analysis. And based on the technical levels, I had discussed that I feel that somewhere around 18,100, 18,200, I see there is a support. And today, Nifty closed at 18,127, right? So that is where we are right now. Now, the only problem here, I've already put up pivot table. So I will start right away. Okay. Here you can see that Nifty, ये क्या आ गया ये नया कुछ sign आ गया क्या? Headlines for Nifty. Oh, I had not seen this. Okay, anyways. So here if you see S1 support 1 was at 18,206, and yes, this has been broken today. Okay. Now this is as per, so let me just pull down the points here. You can see this is traditional. What about Fibonacci? So let me just take this type to Fibonacci and I'll say okay. Even if you see has it come to Fibonacci? Yeah. So even if you see as per Fibonacci also, S1 is at 18,183. For traditional, it was somewhere around 206. Both levels, be it 183 or be it 206, both have been broken. And that is the reason why I feel that, okay, there is a little bit problem right now with whatever has happened today. Big thing here you can see as per Fibonacci. Again, I'm repeating as per Fibonacci. Here you can see 17,981 is S2. And if I want to round it off, I feel 18,000. Okay, 18,000 can be a normal support. We always call that as an emotional support, a mental support is what we call. And ideally, I feel that 18,000 should act as a base level support, right? But if 18,000 is broken, I don't see 17,600 or something like that coming. I feel again I'll go back to Fibonacci traditional, and here if you see the next support that we can see is around, again see similar 17,600 and then direct 17,300. So somewhere I feel that if 18,000 is broken convincingly, it could lead to another almost 400 points fall, right? I'm repeating, if 18,000 is broken, then there is a possibility that we may see 18,000, we may see around 400 points fall. Okay, so we have to be a little bit careful right now. Okay, we have to see if market is taking support at the 18,000 level or not. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase RSI so that I can show you one more observation that I have about RSI. I always take RSI at 60-40 to test breakouts. But let me go to the traditional RSI right now. Okay, so that I can show you some observation. Okay, so everyone, for those who know basics of technical analysis, okay, I'll just hide the averaging outline as well. MA, moving averages, I'm hiding. So here you can see directly the recent past. So I'm taking from October, okay, last 2-3 months we are taking. Here you can see lowest point. Okay, we have taken the band of what? 70 and 30, correct? Here it went down to 30. So exact point was 31 point something and then reversed. Again came down to almost 32 point something, reversed. Okay, here was one time where it still came down to 36, reversed, tried to reverse, but again went down to 30, 30. Again you can see here it slipped below 30 for a little bit of time. Again came back. Again took a support at 30, went up. Again here you can see this is about 32 and it went up again. And right now Nifty is at sorry, RSI is at 40. Okay, RSI is at 40. So I hope with this you have understood that if I'm checking out the parameter of RSI may slip down to levels of 30, but it will take a support around 30 is what I believe. And if that were to happen, RSI, so I want quick answers again. Quick answers. What is the level of RSI right now? Everyone, tell me in the comment section, what is the level of RSI right now? People, I'm waiting. Okay, correct. Current level is 40, right? Everyone is giving me answers. Current level is 40. What is the level at which RSI in Nifty has historically taken support? That we have seen for the last 3 months. Last 3 months we saw the chart, right? And based on last 3 months chart, what was the level at which we saw that, okay, RSI is taking a support and from here it is kind of reversing? Very good. Sharman, Jineet, Sandeep, Rajendra, Raviji, Kedar, Sachin, everyone has given correct answers. Fantastic. Okay. So now if RSI were to actually go down to 30 levels and then bounce off from there, then again there is a possibility that we may see Nifty cooling off a little bit and then reversing from there. Okay. So I hope you have understood this logic also, that because we see, and RSI doesn't talk only about speed, right? RSI will talk about speed as well as the direction in which it is going. Speed is primary. It's mainly a momentum indicator, correct? But it will generally follow the direction also. So right now, if it is a falling market, RSI is also falling. It will fall. It will fall slowly, but yes, there is a chance that it may fall again, right? If it starts reversing, then RSI will also start reversing. So right now, it will be crucial to see till what time RSI 30 is achieved, and that is the reason why I feel that somewhere around 18,000, so at least markets will come down, and we'll see at 18,000 what is the level of RSI. That is what I'm really keen to look at, right? With this as an understanding, let's try and understand one more very important observation that I want to share with you all. I'm going to come to moving average 50. Okay, I am going to switch off the pivot so that it's comparatively easier for you. Okay, right. So now see, 50 days is like a short term moving average, right? I want everyone to pay attention. Yesterday here you can see it took a support at 50-day moving average, and today the support was broken, correct? Okay, here you can see back directly. So 50 days has not been broken on a closing basis. Here also it has just closed above that. This is October. So first time if it came below the 50-day moving average was somewhere around end of September. So October, November, almost 3 months from here. Then you can see kind of, I'll just try and draw here. Okay, here, sorry. This is like a double bottom that you can see. And from here we saw a good rally, correct? But if I were to just check this, how many candles for that from here to here? This is almost 14 bars. Oh, so this is almost 14 trading sessions. Nifty has stayed below the 50-day moving average. Again, I'm repeating. I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell you. Nifty was below this 50 days moving average for almost 14 trading sessions, after which it came up. What about here? Let us try and analyze this as well. Here also you can see when it went down, again it was like a W kind of a pattern, and then it went up, right? Then here also you can see that, okay, once it has gone down, it is not sharply rising back. Okay, if it has gone down, here also you can see it broke a little bit here and there, but finally it broke down, and once it showed a proper reversal, that is where it went up. So that is the reason why I would not want it to close below this level and stay there. See, 1 or 2 days here, and there is again a chance that it might slip a little bit further. Okay, so I think this is really important, 50 days moving average. And again, as I'm mentioning, I don't want it to stay below that for a longer time. Again, if you see MACD is not showing support. So all in all, I hope you have understood that the entire data that we can see as per technical analysis, that's not very much encouraging right now. We have to be a little bit careful about our portfolio. We will have to see how the market is heading, right? What are the problem points right now? There are major problem point is about COVID, correct? Now, if you ask me personally, see, whatever I have read about COVID, problem was that China had kept their country in a very much tight situation. They had not opened up their economy very nicely, correct? And all experts say, I'm not a COVID expert, okay, but experts say, whatever I've read in the news, whatever in the newspaper, what I've heard in the news, experts say that the overall immunity, herd immunity is what we always call it, right? Herd immunity in China has not really been established. But if I'm talking about India, herd immunity has already been established, number one. And number two, very important, the vaccination drive, because it was superb in India. That is the reason why ideally India should not see such a huge impact, is what COVID experts have to say. So what I believe is this is that market is trying to see some reason to fall, right? It may fall, and if it falls, we have to again try and search for certain opportunities. See, for example, right now, if I see, if market is going down, and if it breaks somewhere around 18,000, I would want to look for an opportunity to buy some more good shares around 17,500, right? That could be one opportunity. Again, I'm not saying that I'll jump and buy it. I would also want to see what are the parameters at that point in time, correct? So that is what everyone has to understand. COVID, number one, the point that I'm trying to see, I personally believe that, what based on whatever experts have to say, I don't see that as a very big problem right now. Okay, number two, if I'm talking about recession and all, we have been talking about recession scenarios since last 2 3 Thursday live streams, and my stand has been very much consistent. What is my stand? I personally believe that 2023 can be a little bit topsy turvy. Be prepared. Whenever you are flying, you get this announcement, right? All passengers are required to put on their seat belts because of the bad weather conditions. We might see some turbulence. You might experience some turbulence. I think that is what could happen. We could see that there is some bad weather in the stock market, and there could be some turbulence. Uh, Based on that, I believe that everyone has to be a little bit careful while investing right now. There could be possibilities of some jerks coming up in the market, mainly because of the global scenario, right? Nothing wrong with India. Even today, everything is like absolutely fine. I think Rajesh has right now given an amazing comment, and I would want to show on screen. COVID cases are increasing, but likes are not. Kya baat hai? I mean, what I started as trying to plug in our entire stream, I used to talk about what is the situation, what are the news, and between the news I tried to plug in the likes, the call to action, and now you all have also become equally creative, and you are also now trying to plug in the likes during the stream. Fantastic, very very innovative. Okay. uh, what does Ranjit say? There is a saying in stock market: the markets will not fall for the same reason for a second time. So COVID should not be an issue. Your view on that? That's what I'm saying. I don't personally see that as a very big problem. In fact, as I mentioned, if I see somewhere around 17,500, I might be looking forward to invest some amount of money at that point in time, right? Chalo, I hope with that everyone has understood about some base scenario. As usual, 2,500 students who are watching, 2,500 viewers who are watching, and likes 579. This is not done. This is not seriously not done. We try to pull up so much good data just for you all. Every Thursday. See, I'm not joking, guys. I came today at 9:15. I'm home at 9:15 right now. I have barely even freshened up myself. I didn't have dinner also. And because it's Thursday, I'm like, this is the one day that I keep on waiting eagerly so that I can interact with you all. It's fun for me. I love it. But if you also love it, the way how you show you love it is just by smashing the like button. And that's what I crave for, right? So if you can do that, that'll be great. Before I move on to some more important and amazing news that we go on, because every time we talk first about technical analysis, then we talk about the macroeconomic scenario, right? Before I go on to the macroeconomic scenario, I would want to tell you some 2-3 important points. Okay, number one, not related to the market, right? Those who follow my Marathi channel is at 3,99,000 subscribers, right? So just in case, if you understand Marathi and if you have still not subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel. There is a great chance that out of 2,400 viewers, if like what eight, I think it's a 3,99,200 or 300, whatever. Pooja, if you are there on the chat, please paste the link of our Marathi channel also. Those who understand Marathi, you can please subscribe to the channel. And just for you all to share with you that I started the Marathi channel uh, when on 1st of May. That's the link for you all. I'm just going to pin it. On 1st of May this year only, I started the Marathi channel, and believe it or not, wow, in a short span of time, the Marathi channel has got almost 400k subscribers, 3,99,200 something. If out of 2,500 people, maybe one third people, if you understand Marathi, then right now also, as before the stream ends, we might hit 400k also. I don't know. Kya baat hai? Santosh says subscribed. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. One more, acha, before I move on, there is one quick question, and that is, ma'am, in FA course, economics is also included? Yes, Jinit. Fundamental analysis course has two parts. One is economics for stock market, and one is your company analysis. Okay, so if you go ahead and enroll yourself for fundamental analysis course, both are included. If you buy individually, I think it will be a little bit expensive, is what I remember, maybe, but I'm not sure. But if you go ahead with fundamental analysis course full, that is the best one, right? Pooja, if you can also share the link of fundamental analysis course here. And needless to say, CARRYT, that is the coupon code which you can use to get some extra discount on my courses as well. Second important thing, like we have a pro investor membership on our YouTube channel. Everyone also knows that on our website, I have started with pro investor membership, and that too, it's like a yearly subscription that you can take. And the pricing is obviously less because you opt for a yearly membership, right? In If you opt for the yearly membership on our website, then the biggest advantage is that there is going to be one Zoom meeting per quarter. Okay, I promised that you'll get one Zoom meeting per quarter, and the Zoom meeting is going to happen this 26th. So there are only 3 or 4 days left. If you have already enrolled for the Pro Investor membership course on our website, don't forget to join on 26th of December at 9 p.m. You will be able to join from the app itself. Okay, from the course itself, you'll be able to join. So don't forget to come live for that meeting. It'll be great to interact with you all. Just in case, if you have not enrolled for the yearly membership yet, you can do that yesterday. You can do that right away. Rajendra says that just yesterday renewed my subscription on YouTube. Oh, no worries, Rajendra. Maybe you can come for uh, the next month, and once in a quarter. Anyways, we are going to have a meeting. That is also one more possibility, right? No worries. Don't feel bad about that. All right. Jineet says, मैम YouTube पे अलग ही मजा आता है. वो तो है ही. क्या क्या करे. YouTube is YouTube. Okay. Devendra asks whether market timings will be extended. People, I hope you are watching the community tab also. On the community tab also, we keep on posting certain news. See, for me, making a video for every single news becomes a little bit difficult, right? And this, I think yesterday only or day before yesterday, I had put up a community tab post wherein I had given some stats also, that how US market indices are traded for almost 22 hours. Okay, even our SGX Nifty is traded for much more number of hours as compared to our normal Nifty. Normal Nifty is what, hardly 6.5 hours something it is traded. So I feel that yes, it could be the market hours, especially for Nifty, for derivative segment, could be extended. Maybe could be done in the gift city as well, where foreign investors who want to trade Nifty or maybe want to hedge Nifty, they can do it through the gift city mein jo, there's that will give them an access to the Indian markets. Basically, there's a separate whole lot of discussion on that, not right now, but yes, I think it should be extended. Raviji saying yes, it's a poll. Yes, I had done a poll on that, right? Chalo. So next, one important point that I wanted to tell you about macroeconomics. Only one point today. If you have read the news, you might have seen that Bank of Japan has raised the benchmark rate. Now, like, what is that? Just to put it in a simple way, like India is also rising the rates, US is rising the rates, Europe is also rising the rates, Japan has also joined the party. Japan has also raised the rate. Now, what has happened is that because of that, their 10-year yield, the bond 10-year yield, has shot up, and the yield was stuck around 0.25% for months together, and it shot up. It moved to almost 0.4%. If you have not understood this, it is okay. Now, what will happen? Understand. So, in simple words, like India, US, Europe have increased their benchmark rate. Same, Japan has done that. What will happen? Whatever happens in India, same is going to happen with Japan. Will the lending rates increase? Obviously, yes. Now the problem is that we keep on talking about, अरे यार मेरा home loan का किस्त बढ़ जाएगा, अरे my car loan EMI will increase, or maybe if my home loan EMI were to remain same, the number of years will increase. We think from an individual perspective only. Think from a country perspective now. I want an answer in yes or no. Okay, do you think that India can also take a loan from Japan? I want an answer in yes or no. What do you think? Can India take a loan from Japan? Yes, 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 absolutely yes. Everyone has given correct answer. So I'm telling you, we always keep on thinking from a very small perspective. I have taken a loan, my EMI will increase. Think about this country has also taken a loan. Now, if India has taken, and of course India has taken a loan from Japan, right? I don't know the exact amount, to be really honest, but of course, needless to say, we have a good amount of loan from Japan. Now, if this rate has increased, can I say for us, the outflow is again going to increase? Answer is again obviously yes. And if this happens, yen is going to appreciate against INR. It makes more sense, right? In that case, for Japanese investors, it will make more sense that rather than, anyways, in Japan the yields are high, there are a lot of uncertainties right now. So like if I were to compare it with USA, if interest rates in USA are increasing, okay, let me just put it in a very simple way. Interest rates in USA are increasing. What do the FIIs feel? Rather than investing in India, let me pull out money from India and let me just actually put it in the US market only. Let me just actually invest in the bonds in USA. Can the same logic, can the same thought process rework for Japan as well? I want again an answer in yes or no. If interest rates are increasing in Japan, if the bond yields are increasing in Japan, the investors who are there, they rather than investing money in India, can they feel that instead of that, let me just put my money in the bond market in Japan? Can that happen? Absolutely. Absolutely. So that is where again the money may be pulled out from Indian markets, and so multiple things are coming in place right now, because of which we are seeing some sort of pain in the market. And obviously, when the broader markets are in pain, don't expect IPOs to perform well on listing when broader markets are going to be in pain, right? So Sula Vines, I know, didn't perform well. The reason is very simple. Today, overall markets were only in pain. So does happen. Absolutely all right. And if you remember, when I had discussed about the IPO at that time only, I had told that. Uh, I mean, maybe some small listing gain possible. I had never said it will be a bumper listing or anything like that. But expectation were of small gain. In that, if the overall scenario is bad, it's not going to perform well, right? But I believe that fundamentally I saw some good points in the company, and that is the reason why I'm okay with that. I'm going to stay invested in it. I have not booked losses in that stock. All right, now let me just come to quick questions, if any, if there are any super chats. Vansh, welcome to Pro Investor Membership. Vijay, Vikas, and Arindam, Madhurya, everyone, welcome to membership. Companies will get affected like Maruti. Absolutely, absolutely. Ranjit is saying even Indian Japanese companies may also get impacted. Uh, Same thing. If we are talking about companies like Maruti, Sumitomo, they have to pay in yen, right? And if the interest rate scenario is not favorable, if the currency the currency appreciation is not favorable, then in that case it's not going to be a good sign for us. Definitely not. Right. So let me go to some quick super chats. I'll take 2 3 super chats followed by 2 3 normal questions also. Once is asking impact of recession coming to India on Nifty 50. Once I told, I think 2023 can be a little bit dicey, right? So possible that we might see some impact on Nifty as well. Sachin is saying 20th December to 20th Jan Nifty has given positive returns. Question mark. Sachin, that is called as something like a Santa rally. How many of you have? Acha, wait. I just thought of something. Start a poll. Do you know about the Santa rally? Question mark. Chalo, ask your community. I'm going to wait for like 30 seconds and I'm going to stop the poll after 30 seconds. I want you all to tell me about something. Do you know about the Santa rally? Yes, no, quickly. I'm going to wait for 30 seconds. Sachin says heard about it. Okay. Don't type. Quick answers. Yes, no. Chalo, 400 people only have given the answer by now. Chalo, fadafad, I'm going to close this off in another 15 seconds. 78% are saying no. Oof. चलो फटाफट अरे 2400 people, you just have to click on yes or no. उसमें क्या ही जाता है यार. I understand it takes a lot of pain to smash the like button, but participating in the poll and your name is not going to be disclosed. So even if you say no, I don't know about the Santa rally, I'm not going to say, oh, this person doesn't know about the Santa rally. What is this? Participate in the poll, people. 838 people have voted till now, and only 76%, only 75% people are saying no, we don't know about the Santa rally. I'm just going to quickly wait for 1,000 votes. 956 votes by now. 987 votes. I'm going to end it soon. Chalo fatafat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just remembered. कौन सा गाना था? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start the fun. टीनी नी 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 ये मौसम का जादू है मितवा. अरे हम आपके हैं कौन याद आ गया. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. End poll on that note. Okay, right. Oh my God, we have gotten 1,200 plus votes. And in that 77 1,100 votes, you can see that in the chat box also. Yeah, Rajendra says Salman and Madhuri. Yeah, yes. 1,100 plus votes, and 74% people are saying no, we don't know about the Santa rally. I thought so, and that is the reason why. I just shot a video on Santa rally, and I will be releasing that tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. So don't forget to watch tomorrow's video. Achha, by the way, again, this is also one more question that I wanted to ask. Because see, for me, I want everyone watches important videos, right? So when I generally release videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but there have been instances where I see that a lot of people believe. एक ही second, मैं change कर पा रही हूँ. Friday and Saturday. I'll tell you the reason. When do you want me to release the weekend video? I seriously need your help, people. Please vote on this, because when I used to release the videos on Saturday, it used to get good views. Now I started releasing videos on Friday. I thought people would be more happy on Friday, because then they'll get entire Saturday, then they'll get entire Sunday, and ideally people would prefer Friday. But then it seems that people are preferring Saturday only, because Friday it's not getting a lot of views, is what I understood. So I want everyone's help, please, people. Poll फुकट असतं. You need not have any problem in answering to the poll. So quickly, it's half, but still there are a lot of people who are also saying Saturday, and Saturday is more. Really, 720 people have voted Saturday. चलो ठीक है, फटाफट. 800 people still Saturday. Saturday is good. Okay. Now this is something new for me. Saturday is preferred for me. Already voted in the poll. क्या बात है? Yes, Saturday. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, thanks a lot for telling this. All surprising answers, absolutely. Raviji saying, "Kar di randir kudi Saturday. Make video for every day." Jinit और कुछ? ठीक है, Saturday is more ideal. Okay, man, I'm getting a lot of answers for Saturday. I'm going to end the poll, and that is where you will see the answers of the poll as well. Almost again 1,000 plus people voted, and more votes for Saturday. So this Saturday, not tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Then on Saturday at 9 or 9:30, we will be releasing the video on Santa Rally. I see that more than 75% people don't know about Santa Rally, and that is the reason why I think everyone should watch this video on Santa Rally. You will understand what is the logic behind it, what happens during the Santa Rally. Does it really move the market? The word rally says ideally it should move in the upward direction. Okay, so yeah, Saturday is ideal because I watch it again on Sunday morning. Division kartos, Devendra, Shabbas. Okay, so everyone, thank you for your valuable input, and my team is also here. They are getting the cue that they don't have to release the video tomorrow. It's day after tomorrow. Oh, क्या बात है? Walimbe says Saturday is the learning day. Shabbas Walimbe, धन्यवाद. All right, I got good insights from you all, guys. Thanks a lot. So Sachin, your question was December 22, Jan 20 Nifty has given positive returns, and from that I moved on to the Santa Rally. I want everyone to watch the video. Sachin, you will get an answer. It's not 28 December, 28 Jan. I'll give you certain answers in that only. Okay, you'll get kind of questions to your question. You'll get kind of answers to your question, right? Okay. हेमंत जी से नमस्कार रचना जी. नमस्कार हेमंत जी. काफी दिन के बाद दिखे आप एक दो लाइव स्ट्रीम्स में दिखे नहीं थे. So Good, good. Welcome again on our Thursday live stream, right? Oh my God. I mean, we also get gossips on our Thursday live stream. अब ये तो हद हो गई यार. Ranjit ji is asking for a gossip question. How was your interaction with Sundar Pichai? Oh my God. So even someone asked about the Google for India event. So it was a fun event. It was a super fun event, and I was invited to Delhi, and Google for India was the name of the event. And Sundar Pichai, I heard him live for the very first time. I interacted with him. He didn't interact with me because I was waving out from the audience. But I didn't get a chance to go on stage. So this time, no luck of two-way interaction. I was just hooting and I was just shouting, "Ooh!" Karke. But yes, if our channel just keeps on performing the way we did in 2022, then I'm sure that in the next 1 or 2 years, ये होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा? This will happen, and I'll put it up on our channel. Why not? Huh? So yeah, it'll be fun, definitely, no doubts about that. So no gossip answer as of now. All right, I think I have answered a lot of questions. Any quick questions? Sumit says, Sachin says, did you give your fundamental analysis for Google time? No. Okay, Sumit, again, acha, this is different Sumit. Acha, wo Sachin the, this is Sumit. Uh, is it a good time to invest in US blue chips or wait to see if more correction? What's your thought? I would wait. Okay, one or two quick questions, and then we wrap up this Thursday's live stream. One stock to watch out during this time, Narendra. In fact, I would be doing one entire. I'll be doing sectors to watch, and that will come live in January. For the month of December, Santa is going to be the last. Santa Rally is going to be the last video release because last week I think everyone will be wanting to, just chill during last week of Saturday, last week of December, and just enjoy with family. So would not want to release a lot of videos at that time, right? Vansh is saying, please answer my super chat. Are Vansh झोपला होतास का तू? I answered your super chat. Impact of recession coming to India on Nifty 50. I told you na. Uh, it's not a problem of India. I don't think India will really go into a recession. But yes, US imported inflation possible. Okay, we can say bada new year end. Yes. Most of top banks, REI is almost 30. Should we watch out these? Coming up. Uh, it is that is the topic in one of our January videos. By the way, just for you all, we typically do these things that for the month of January, whatever videos are going to be releasing, I prepare a calendar in the month of December only. So whatever we discussed right now, what banks, that is going to come up in our January videos, right? Okay. Hemanji says, Mumbai आया हूँ 2 महीने से, missed Cochin conclave of PR Sundar too. Even I didn't go to the conclave, so I also missed it. Many people are asking, are you going or not? Are you going or not? Tell on Twitter. So I'm a person who just I just like कभी कभी क्या होता है पता है क्या? People just keep on gossiping and gossiping and gossiping, and there's no real output. I personally believe that as YouTube influencer, I should be the one who is spreading positivity rather than some negative news. If I want, if I thought that I should not go to the event, I didn't feel that Twitter में मैं बताऊंगी I'm not going to go to the event, then 1,000 people will comment and whatnot. I had very much conveyed to sir that I'm not coming, and I mean I told him that I'm not going to come. So yeah, that is the reason why I didn't go to the coaching conclave, right? Next question. Quick question. Avoid IT or maybe start entering? Still doubtful. Not right now, maybe. Would want to wait for some more time. Thank you, Narendra. That's a great thought. Narendra says respect. Thank you. All right. Last one or two. What's happening to CAMS and CDSL? All these stocks are just collapsing right now. There are a lot of stocks. The moment it is about any sort of technology, anything related to IT, they are just not performing well. So I think even let me just pull up one more time. I remember seeing CAMS, but CDSL I don't remember. Achha, by the way, I can see some sort of kind of reversal in CAMSA, by the way, but it's like very very base level. So not yet even above 50 DEMA. So would not want to enter that right now. CDSL is also all stocks, all anything related to technology, IT. Everyone is below 50-day DEMA. I would not want to go ahead with that. Oh, people are asking about Polyplex also. Let me just quickly pull up. I think it has gone to the third tier. I remember seeing that today. Just slipped below the third tier also. Ooh, broken one more support below the third tier. Okay, chalo. Let me just quickly tell you. Third, I have not invested. I'd already mentioned this. If it breaks below that, I'm going to invest into the third, my third, one third, one third, one third. Remember, I told that. So ideally, one third should have been invested here. I just missed. I missed this movement in the last 3-4 days. So ideally, the uh, third installment in Polyplex, I should have ideally invested 3-4 days ago. I missed it, but it's good. After that, also it has fallen almost 2%, almost 4%, almost it has fallen. Right now, as I mentioned, 18,000 is a crucial mark, right? If 18,000 is not sustained, it might lead to another 400 500 points fall in Nifty, and that is the reason why, in spite of our third tier installment level being reached and in fact breached a little bit, I'm still not putting my third installment. I would want to wait if 18,000 is held on, because if that happens, that if 18,000 is also breached, there could be a quick fall of 400 points roughly. And in that case, I would want to average at a little bit more lower level. So I'm repeating, I'm not planning to put my third installment in Polyplex. So the moment I do that, guys, I'm going to update you. No doubt about that. Jiniti saying, "Ma'am, Pune ke live off session ke liye ke bare mein batao. I'm waiting for it." Yes, it's going to happen, and mostly in the month of January. So yeah, super excited for that. Keep on watching the channel. I'll tell you about that. By the way, my very first shoot about Marathi course, it's going to be on personal financial management, and I'm shooting that right now. Only 2 days to go, and my shoot will be over. Super excited for the course in Marathi. Um, so let's see. I'm really excited about it. By the end of January, we should be in a position to release that as well. Um, yeah, so that is about the course. I did talk about the members, 26th co-members meeting. I did talk about Marathi 400k subscribers. And of course, the last thing I forgot to tell you is about the diary. If you remember, during the last Thursday live stream, I had discussed about the CARR gadget diary. And I had told you that, of course, that's not the name that I had given for my own diary. It was you all who had given the name about the CARR gadget diary, and I told you that it's a fun one. So and when I talked about that, got a great response. I mean, I had not expected that many people who actually placed their order for the diary power bank. Just in case if you are not there, what is there in this diary? Very important. It doesn't have dates. So even, I mean, it's okay. We are at almost at the beginning of January, but still it doesn't have dates. You can just put your own dates. It has a charging wire also, so you can also, it's a power bank basically. So it has a power bank inside this. You can charge your phone. It has a pen. It has a diary. And by the way, this here you'll have a pen drive. It goes inside this. Okay, so a lot of features that are there inside the diary also. So I hope you will definitely like it. And if you want to uh, buy this as a New Year gift for someone, you can go and hit on to this website, which is finance.store. Pooja, if you can paste the link of this, and there was a coupon code for this as well. Last time I had given the coupon code. I think it is Diary 5. Anyone who was there in the previous stream and anyone who has used the code, maybe it is Diary 5. Thank you, Sumit. Sumit says it's an amazing product. Thank you. Anyone remembers what? Diary 5 ही है शायद. IARY, Diary 5. Try this out. You should get some additional discount also, right? Just last quick question. Guru Gubeli is asking, what are your views on VEDL? So let me just quickly pull up VEDL. Vedanta, oh, just broke the 50 dema, would want to wait. Right now, I mean, does make sense. I mean, uh, a lot of stocks are breaking 50 dema levels, so would want to wait. Okay. पूजा झोपलीस का तू बाळा? तू लिंक पेस्टच नाही करत आहेस. Rajesh says, please make t-shirts also available. T-shirts are already available, Rajesh. Same website, finance.store. Hai, Pooja hai, Zagi. So she has given the link here. It's there in the description box. It's there in the chats. If you go to finance.store website, there you'll be able to see the shirts also. This one, I buy Asaka. I've shown this now. I buy Asaka Kai. So you buy, what you buy, and that is the point you buy, and tada, it goes down. Asaka Kai. Sweatshirts. Sweatshirts are not yet planned. Idea अच्छा है. Let's see. XL and L not available. Oh, is that so? Let me check with my team. I don't look into the stock thing, but yeah, I'll check. Few sizes not available. Got it. Barik hua Rajesh. Go to the gym and go ahead for him. All right, chalo. I think that's it for the day. We did discuss about. Oh, Rajendra is asking, when can we expect to return stock of the month's performance? That's what is going to be done in the Zoom meeting. Whatever stocks we have discussed till date, we are going to discuss the basket returns versus Nifty returns. That's one of the agenda points of the Zoom meeting, and a few more points as well. Sharman is asking, when is live session in Mumbai? Karu. Not planned immediately. We'll have it for sure though. All right, so with that, it's almost 45 minutes more than that. Good key takeaways. We did discuss about the technical levels. We did discuss about uh, uh, winter caps with YouTube channel logo. OMG, that is really innovative. Huh? क्या बात है. This is all. I should tell this to my team. Winter caps with YouTube channel logo. All right. When is the Zoom meeting? This is for Pro Investor members who have enrolled for the Pro Investor yearly membership. That will be happening on uh, the 26th at 9 p.m. Okay. Can we get last 12 months stock of the month? 12, huh? You'll get 36 stocks of the month even if you enroll today. 36, not 12. You get a lot of data. Sharman is saying bags also. All right. Chalo. So with that, I think let's end today's live stream. 50 minutes almost. And oh, wow. That is capstick, eh? Where is that? I want. Sharman, you're in school? Sharman, are you in school? Which standard? But that's a very good one, huh? Bag so that we can take to school and make you famous in school. Kya baat hai? I'm in 14th. Oh, so I am. Achha, I am 9th grade. People, I think you should. Kya baat hai? You can't applaud on YouTube, I think. But very nice, and you're such a regular viewer of our channel. And from which? Achha, you're from Mumbai, is it? I guess you're asking about Mumbai some time ago. Did you? Are you from Mumbai, Sharma? स्कूल में टीचर होगा. अरे टीचर नहीं, पागल स्टूडेंट है. 9th ग्रेड में बोल रहा है वो. प्रवीण कुछ भी पागल नहीं बोलना चाहिए, सॉरी, बट कुछ भी. Okay, wow, amazing. People are saying wow, and our claps is there. Huh? Very nice, Sharman. But that's a good idea. Yes, you're from Mumbai, fantastic. So that's a good idea about bags. I'll explore that. One says, oh, one says I'm also in 10th class. Nice. I'm happy. Kya baat hai? People are from 9th standard, 10th standard, and are watching our YouTube live. And I remember these names also. They're every Thursday. Very good. I'm very happy. And I feel that whatever little effort that I'm taking of coming live every Thursday, I think these kids will also become very big investors in the coming few years, right? And they'll say that पहला हमने रचना मैम से सीखा है. Okay, right? तब मुझे याद रखना. Fantastic. All right. Chalo, I think we are done for the day. It's almost what 50 minutes, and today we did discuss about the technical analysis. We did discuss about धीरज is saying YouTube members की क्या गलती है? कुछ गलती नहीं है भाई. गलती क्या होनी चाहिए? You get to chat every Thursday. Those who are taking the yearly membership, they don't get to chat every Thursday, ना? So कुछ वो gain करेंगे, कुछ आप gain करोगे. That's it. You should make poll for subscriber who is less than 30 years of age. That I can see through the YouTube analytics. That I know. That data I already know. Uh, PM wants India to be developed nation, and these kids will go a great way. Absolutely, absolutely. Wow, so we did discuss about technical analysis. आज गप्पे भी अच्छे मार लिए यार हमने. We had a nice chat. We did gossip also today. Right. We also discussed some ideas today. I got to know from you all about Friday and Thursday. We did 2 polls today. We discussed about some economic impact and amazing, amazing. So it was fun. I loved it. And I will see you all in the next Thursday live stream on what date? Next Thursday is going to be on 29th at 9:30. Until then, take care. Shah Hind and bye bye.